Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable light theme in Windows 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 11 PC or laptop or desktop, so you can easily change theme. Click on Start, then Settings. Now here guys, you have to click on Personalization. Now select a theme to apply. Also guys, you can change and you can create a theme from here. You can select from here in custom theme. You can select dark or light. There are some themes. So this is the way guys you can change and enable light theme in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and please comment this video useful for you or not.